Second, fire alarm and detection system. Fire alarm and detection system are designed to quickly detect the presence of smoke, heat, or foam and alert buildings occupants and emergency responders. Components include smoke detector, heat detector, and menu pull stations. When activated, the system triggers an audible and or visual alarms, alerting everyone within the buildings. Used in most commercial and residential buildings, detection systems help in the early identification of fire, allowing occupants to evacuate safely and for responders to control the fire quickly. Early detections save life by providing crucial times for evaluations and enable a swift emergency response to minimize property damage. Thirdly, fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers are handheld devices that allow individuals to manually suppress small fire before they escalate. They contain various extinguishing agents with to specific type of fires. Each extinguisher is rated by the classes of fire it can combat, such as Class A ordinary combustibles, Class B flammable liquids, and Class C electrical fires. Fire extinguishers are found in nearly every building and are critical for suppressing small contained fire. When used properly, they allow trained individuals to take immediate actions. The advantage is easy to operate, affordable, and highly effective for early stage fire. They help prevent fire from growing uncontrollably.
Standby and hose system. It functions are built-in water delivery system that allowing firefighters quick access to water for fighting fire within large building. Standby are pipes that run vertically or horizontally through a building and are connected to hoses, allowing responders to connect their equipment directly to a water supply in different areas of the building. Application is common in high-rise buildings, warehouses, and facilities where rapid firefighter access the water is crucial. This system significantly reduces the time required for firefighters to set up water supply. Advantage is standby and hose system make firefighting operation faster and more effective, especially in large buildings, minimizing potential damage and improve the chances of extinguishing fire quickly. Smoke control and exhaust system. Its function is manage the movement of smoke within a building, providing safe escape routes and minimizing the spread of toxic gases. Smoke exhaust system actively remove smoke from a building, typically through mechanical fan and vents to create a clean plan for evacuation and to prevent smoke inhalation. Application is these systems are essential in places with large occupancies, skirted mall, theaters, and high-rise buildings, where smoke can spread rapidly, creating a dangerous environment. Advantage is by managing smoke and toxic gases, This system enhances visibility and reduces health risks during evacuation, allowing for safer and faster occupation and improving firefighting conditions. Fire-resistant wall and partition. Their function is help compartmentalize a building, dividing it into sections that can resist fire spread for a specific period. These barriers use materials such as gypsum, board, concrete, or fire-rated masonry to delay fire movement, keeping it containers within a specific area. Application is essential in commercial buildings, hospitals, and high-risk buildings. These fire-rated walls and partitions prevent fire from easily spreading, providing additional time for evacuation and firefighting. Advantage in compartmentalization help contain fire damage, slow the spread of smoke and flames, and protect escape routes and firefighting assets.
Passive fire protection system. Number 1. Fire-resistant wall and partition. Function. Fire-resistant wall and partition help compartmentalize a building, dividing it into sections that resist fire spread for a specific period. These barriers use materials such as gypsum board, concrete, or fire-rated masonry to delay fire movement, keeping it contained within the specific area. For advantage, compartmentalization helps contain fire damage, slow the spread of smoke and flame, and protect escape route and firefighting access. Number 2. Fire door and fire-rated window. Function. Fire doors and fire-rated window are designed to withstand fire and smoke for specific duration, helping contain fires to specific area and protecting evacuation route. Fire doors often have self-closing mechanism to ensure they remain closed during fire. Fire-rated window use tempered glass or other heat-resistant material. Advantage: they limit fire and smoke spread to specific area, allowing safe exit and reducing overall fire damage to other parts of building. Number 3. Fire coating and insulation. Function. Fire coating, often known as intumescent paint or spray, are applied to structural components such as steel beams, columns, and floor. When exposed to high temperature, they expand, forming an insulation barrier that protect structural elements from heat, maintaining her load-bearing capacity. Advantage: by protecting structural integrity, fireproof coating allow building to remain stable longer, providing extra time for evacuation and firefighting and minimizing collapsing risks. Number 4. Fire stopping and sealant. Fire stopping materials seal gaps, joint, and penetration such as piping, cable, and duct in fire-rated wall and floor. They prevent fire, smoke, and heat from passing through this opening, which could otherwise compromise fire containment. This is other function. For advantage, by sealing opening, fire stopping material prevent the fire spread and smoke, maintaining the integrity of fire-rated barrier and enhancing containment fires. Lastly, fire and smoke dampers. Function: fire and smoke dampers are installed within HVAC, which means heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system to prevent fire and smoke from spreading through air duct. Fire damper automatically close when they detect high heat, while smoke damper respond to smoke. They create barrier within ductwork, stopping flow of smoke and flame. And last advantage is fire and smoke dampers reduce the risk of fire and toxic smoke spreading to the building ventilation system, improving air quality in evacuation routes, and maintaining compartmentalization. That's all.